Okay, now I have a grass tip. I made this green a little bit darker by adding some black to it. And I'm just gonna do some squeeze in here. This is a 233 tip, so you squeeze, pull out one way, squeeze, pull out another way. Just to add more color at the base. That'll do her. And then I just wanted a little bit more color down here. So you could do some teas in some more red, and I have a little yellow. I might do a few little yellow ones. So for small teas, just take a ball, put your finger over half, roll out like that, take your thumb and finger like this all the way around. Just kind of pinch around like that. And then you could just take these and kind of lay them across. Let me grab a little yellow. Little ball, finger over half, pinch the top. So I'm just rotating it around, rotating, rotating, rotating. Maybe we'll cross those over. This gets another little color in there. One more down here in yellow, and we are good. Okay, we're almost done. So exciting. There we go. There's Mr. Golf Ball. I think it's a little bit different for a cake. It's fun. Someone has a good sense of humor. And I think you could, like I said, do the writing on a scorecard. And you could even, add a little flag too for the little hole. You could add that and do the writing on that. Okay, so have a great time. 4,